Hey, OJ here. It's cooking time. Almost said it's coffee time, but it's always coffee time. Anyways, we're going to do something a little different. We're not going to cook and we're not going to bake. We're going to make some overnight oats. We made some Fiddle Diddles last time, but this time we're going to make what we're calling Fiddle Diddle overnight oats. Deb had them the other day and they were really good. So we're going to make two different batches up here. I know it sounds kind of but she's been eating these things for the last couple of years, maybe 3 years, and I started eating them, and they're actually really good. So I hope you guys stick around and watch, and maybe you can send me some of your recipes. Anyways, let's get at her. Okay, now we're going to start putting everything together here. We're going to put half cup of oatmeal into each. Try it, look at that. Okay, and we're going to go half a cup of coconut. A little sloppier a little bit there. And this is a protein powder. It's called GC Control, but you can use whatever protein powder. And then you're just gonna plop that on there. And then this one here, this is an experiment, so we haven't even tried this one. I'm pretty sure it'll be good. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons in here, and probably the easiest way, just like the Fiddle Diddles, mix it all up prior. This one with the protein powder on it, it's really good. Sometimes I have the protein powder and peanut butter. That's really good too. Okay, now we're going to get some milk here. See how steady I am with my left hand. Not bad, not bad. I don't know about you, but the first time I heard overnight oats, I thought, not for me. But, you know, once you try it, don't knock it till you try it. And sometimes you can put a little more milk in there. Like this one I think needs a little bit more. You know, I don't measure much. Okay. Yeah, this will need a little more milk. There. And that's that. And that's overnight oats. Oh yes. Oh. I forgot something. Just a little bit of vanilla in there. I don't know how I could forget that. If you don't like vanilla, don't bother putting it in, but anyways, there we go. Okay, there, we're all done. Forgot to mention that I do like mine in a mug, because you can pick it up, hang on to it like this, or you can have it in a bowl like this, or you can have it in whatever you like. You put it in a glass cup, but I like to keep things covered in the fridge there so it doesn't take on any other smells. And then you put it in the fridge and it'll be ready tomorrow morning when you get up. I just happen to have one in the fridge. Can you imagine that? If it's a little dry in the morning, you can put a little bit more milk in there and just move it around a little bit. It's good. But oh, this is almost as good as the Fiddle Diddles, but not quite. But these are really good. I should just eat this all now and make you guys sit here and watch me. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.